Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has announced that 7 all-party delegations will soon engage with key nations under Operation Sindhu, reflecting India's collective resolve against terrorism. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister has greeted Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar on his birthday. Addressing a public meeting at Gandhinagar in Gujarat, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that Operation Sindhu marked a historic shift in India's national security response. Directorate General of Foreign Trade has announced new port restrictions on the import of certain goods from Bangladesh to India. Minister of State for Defence Sanjay Seth will lead an Indian delegation at the 17th editions of Langkawi International Maritime and Aerospace Exhibition 2025 being held at Langkawi, Malaysia from Tuesday to the 24th of this month.